Now let's talk about how to make interactive items. When I click plus to add another question, I want to choose interactive item types. And just a note, if you have interactive item types in your test, it can't be printed. So let me click interactive item type, and the first one I want to demo is an inline choice. Here's my favorite way to make an inline question. This is what I want to have. Let's see, a rectangle is a blank-sided figure that has blank angles. Okay, a rectangle is a blank-sided figure that has blank angles. Okay, and what's going to go in here are my placeholders. Let me add a placeholder here and a placeholder here. There we go. Now I am ready to fill in those placeholder values. So I'm going to scroll down and click continue. And now I get to choose what's going to go in those blanks. So a rectangle is a four-sided figure is what I want the kids to choose. Let me give them another choice. Star usually gives them 2 per blank. So I'm going to say 3-sided. And then I need to indicate that 4 is correct. There we go. Now I've got my little box. They can choose 4 or 3. Let me maybe put that in that order. So it goes 3, 4 instead of 4, 3. And then on the next one, I'm going to click this. Let's see, that has obtuse angles or acute angles or right angles. And of course, right is the correct answer choice. So a rectangle is a four-sided figure that has right angles. That's what I want it to look like. Let me go ahead and add a standard. I'm just going to choose one because this isn't really a 6th grade standard. There we go. And I can also choose my scoring method here. I'm going to choose partial credit because that's how Star will score it. And then click create. And once I've created it, I also have the option to preview it and be sure it's how I want it to look. And you can also see it right here. And if you click the I, it'll let you preview it that way as well. And that's how you make an inline item.